Hey, I'm Bryson with Trick Tools, and this here is the ProLine Hand-Held Planishing Hammer. So when you buy a handheld planishing hammer, you get the hammer, one of these yokes here, and then also 3 lower dies, a 312 and 36-inch radius, as well as 1 upper die, and the tool to be able to remove the upper die from the hammerhead. You can buy this, like I said, with one of these 3 yokes, and the other yokes can be purchased obviously as a add-on option. And then from there, if you're interested in making your own yokes, we sell the hammer holder and the lower die holder to be able to bend up your own tubing yokes to fit a custom application that you may have. So this hammer is also the same hammerhead that we have in our portable planishing hammer. So this one just has the added on handle to be able to operate it by hand. So if you have the handheld setup, you can buy the portable stand to be able to give you the floor model capabilities, and vice versa. So if you have this portable hammer, you can add on the yokes to be able to give you the handheld capabilities. So there's also an 18-piece die kit available that fits the floor models that also gives you the different planishing capabilities on your handheld models. So in order to operate this hammer, basically, obviously you just squeeze down the handle. So there's an air adjustment knob right here on the back. So you back that off and you can go from pretty light air pressure for some light hammering, back it off even more. The operating range is from 80 to 120 PSI. So we're gonna show you guys now a demo of how this thing works and what it does as far as hammering capability. So these work really well for being able to get on a car where you can't pick up a part and put it in a floor model machine, roof skins, that sort of thing on a car. So we're gonna give you guys a little demo. Since we don't have a project in here that requires some handheld planishing on a car at this point, we're just going to go ahead and demo this on this piece of 18 gauge steel clamped to the table, just to show you guys how the hammer works. So you can see, just based on the amount of curve that we have in here, obviously some of the capabilities of the hammer itself and how quickly it can work. So if you're really needing to get some shape in a panel that you just welded on, you want to planish something smooth, even over a weld, that sort of thing, there's plenty of power in the hammer to be able to do that. So for more information on the handheld planishing hammer, give us a call or visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high performance tools for the fabricator.